Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the door trim. All you have to do is get one of these tools, or a flathead screwdriver that has some tape on it. I'm gonna use the flathead screwdriver on this side to show how to do it. So all you have to do is put the tip here and just pry the door trim, and it comes out quite easily. Be careful not to pull too hard because you might break the tabs on the back that are holding the trim on the door. So this is how it looks on the back. So with this dashboard trim, you have to do the same. Pry it here. Be careful not to pull too hard. It should come out easily. So this is how it looks from the back. On this side, this one has some metal tabs. So here I'm gonna use the same tool that I used on the other side. So you have to pry it here slowly. Here how it looks on the back. Okay, so on the left side we have to do the same. We have to pry it from here slowly. You have to untap these from here as well. Make sure you don't break them, because might not hold the trim well. This one looks the same on the back like on the other side. To put them back in, all you have to do is put them first here and press them firmly, and all like new. I hope this helps, and see you on the next one.